armpit to the ground. Bring your armpit to the ground. All right, now back up. All right, now we're going to do Komodos to the right. Left. Right. And left. Armpit to the side. And bring it down. Bring armpit down to the ground. All right, back up. Alright, now we're going to do Kahalo to the right. So to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left. Alright, now up into the back. Bring it down. Alright, now back up. Now turn to the front. Hands on your shoulders and bow. Alright, thank you to our audience. Everyone give them a big round of applause. They did a round of